finally happening. We have the builders here and they are working on the roof. This is the progress so far, and they are up there on the corner working. So today we are doing the walls in the stables. So I'm on the roof inspecting our new gutters. So this is them. They are fairly decent sized. A bit difficult to comprehend, I guess, but they are looking good. I'm super happy, and we are slowly making progress. So stage one, I guess, is finished for now. And then next stage will be removing all of this, replacing whatever woods needs to replace, fixing tiny things such as this, and then replacing all of this with brand new ones, because these are old and done. It's almost 40 degrees and she's working away, but the machine keeps stopping all the time because it's overheating, so bit by bit. So we're out walking, and this is Jimmy. That's our house. Not so interested. Today it's all hands on deck. We are removing the old tiles from the roof, and we are at the same time having some painters here that are working on the walls in the stables. Finally. So Anna has been hard at work with the facade, which is almost finished. We are going to finish it today. But who is this?
It's the new entry. She was risking to go to the shelter, and she will stay with us until she finds some family.
Yeah, so we're not keeping her.
No.
And it's a
pure beagle.
Pure breed beagle, yeah. Right. So the guys are at lunch, but they have been working on the plasterboards. That's our new little helper. Yeah, so today we have 40 degrees and working is an absolute nightmare. Okay, so I'm heading upstairs to check on the roof from the inside. We have had, as you could see in the previous clip, a few pieces that weren't in great condition, so we have removed them so that they can start mending those. Namely, here on the corner, they're gonna put some new ones in. We knew about this corner. That was clearly visible from the inside, so they're gonna put some new pieces in here, as well as some over here and over here. So there are a few spots that we're going to fix, and then once that's fixed, they're going to put the new membrane on, etc., and we should be good to go. So the facade has been Anna's little pet project, but she has reluctantly let me help her. So I'm gonna do the last bits now, and then the front of the facade should be finished. Okay, so the machine needs to rest a bit, and so do I. I don't know how many of you have seen the travel vlog I just released, but in that I went to the UK to drive some race cars and do some other automotive stuff, and my arms and shoulders are very sore after that. So a lot of excuses at the moment, but I'm making slow progress and not that much left. Some bits here and then that bit over there. So we're getting there. So the machine has overheated again. I wanted to show you guys the details of the old fixing points. Unfortunately, as far as I can see, that's the only one we have. We have one over there, way back in the distance, over there. But on this particular pipe, we don't have them. So, to be fair, I don't think we are going to be able to restore those, and I don't think we're going to make new ones either and put them back. It's just a matter of drawing a line how far we're going to take this. I don't think we're going to do that. I mean, you never know. Anna might have a different opinion. We'll see. And over here, nothing noisy. Yeah. Oh my god. It's out speeding. Yeah, so over here we have them as well. It's not over there. Over there in the distance we have them. So yeah, we have a few of them. Not everywhere, so yeah. As I said, I'm not sure. Apart from that, I just have this little piece left. And that's gonna be it. But I'm gonna let the machine cool down for a bit. Okay, so I've been cutting all of these lines everywhere in both of the rooms, and it's the most unpleasant thing you can think of. So that now we can mount the metal that's gonna go up here, etc. So here we are almost getting ready for paint. Just need to fix that. Not sure exactly where to put the holes, so I'm going to try to figure that out. And the guys are working in the in the room next door. And at the same time, we have workers on the roof. So this is the final day and the roof is basically finished. As you can see, we have some miscoloration on the east side of the roof. There are about 30 tiles there which are from a different batch, so we are going to have them changed. Okay guys, the roof is finished. We are still waiting for the miscolored tiles to be changed. That's going to happen within the next couple of days. Apart from that, we are working inside the stables as usual. That's going to be finished hopefully in the next episode. Well, I mean, finished, we'll see. But at least painted. Anyway, that's going to be it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Ciao!